Hello, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Lazy Boy. With me, Axel Lazy Boy, redacted. I'm sick as fuck and stuck at home right now, so I'm going to make Chicken Schnitzel. I hope I edited in a Chicken Schnitzel in post-effect. Now, let me bring the camera over here. We have these two nice chicken schnitzels. I'm doing this really scuffed because, yes, I'm doing it scuffed because I am personally scuffed right now. Don't mind me dying, it's perfectly fine. Oh yo, it's like the previous episodes of Cooking with Lazy Boy where you couldn't see my face because I thought that was cool for some reason. Come on! No one is allowed to take that out of context. Alright, just sprinkle some on. That's a huge chunk. I don't want a huge chunk. Fuck this. I don't know why my nose just got really runny now. Now that we've got the chicken, we're going to put it in that thing. Air fryer. Fuck. Fuck. I don't know what type of air fryer you use, but this is what I'm using. Put it 200 degrees, 15 minutes. It'll be perfectly fine. Don't worry, your kitchen won't explode. Don't worry, the kitchen's just exploding. Hey, and what do you know, I did it. I made it, and it looks somewhat not diseased. Goodbye, I'm going to go jump off the Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Hello, less sick Axel here, just wanted to apologise for what sick me did, as when being sick, you most likely cannot form a coherent video. But hey, if you're stuck around this long, you probably have brain damage. Go to a doctor, get a diagnosis, go beat your meat. Well, just like, share, subscribe, all that good shit, and I will see you next time. Lazy Boy out.